Yeah, so this is a suite. This is like a kind of entry level, one bedroom suite.
Mm-hmm.
Slightly different. I mean, the view is on the second floor.
Full view.
Yeah.
You have boat to icon here.
There.
Mm-hmm.
From there.
But it's for season's boat or your boat?
Together.
Huh.
We're the same owner.
Mm-hmm. No, this I know.
So we share the same pier.
A Capella owner from?
The brand?
No.
The brand is Singapore.
No, but owner Malaysian?
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah. The original founder is German. He's a founder of the Ritz-Carlton. The original founder.
German? Yeah, everything's fine. Bathroom.
You like the bathroom?
Mm-hmm.
The bathroom is beautiful, the view. The good thing is that we all have a separate walk-in wardrobe, so you can put your luggage away.
Mm-hmm. So, and bathroom. Bedroom.
Did you stay at the Four Seasons?
Mm-hmm. 2 years back. Oh, huge balcony. Place very good. But sometimes this is your boat, right?
Yeah. So this is the temporary boat. We are getting our own real boat. So we are making a boat. So at the moment we use this temporary boat hire to share. But we'll have a real one later. So that's the living room that you saw. That's the pool. The villa are the green roof. These are the other room type, the veranda room. I don't have anything to show you. These are the one on the third floor.
Where is the pool?
Yeah, outdoor jacuzzi is a veranda. I wanted to show you that one, but you don't have any. Yeah. Have you been to our bar? The bar. We have a bar.
Black, no?
Yeah. We have a bar, and we also have a Michelin restaurant. Mauro Perfecto. Argentinian.
So your jam drink, right?
Huh?
Your jam drink.
It's a common toilet. So there's a connecting room to it as well. So it became a 2-bedroom.